Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about multiple inheritance. So in my previous video, you understand about how hierarchical inheritance will be created and accessed. In this video, you can going to discuss about let's say multiple inheritance. What is the meaning of multiple inheritance? If there is a more than one class is declared and you can create a one child class by accessing the multiple classes properties, then the child class is very overweight and the child class suffers very seriously. So how this particular multiple inheritance is work? Because it's saying that multi classes one child class. Okay, multiple classes means there is a multiple parent classes. Okay, one child class is present. Fine. So class A, class B, here also you send that class A, class B and class C. Class A, class B is a multiple inheritance. Class A, class B access the properties by the class C. Okay. So in this way, how could you declare this type of class? Let's see. Now we have to create it multiple inheritance. So has define multiple inheritance. Now you have to create class A x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Then class B A, then here I am initialize it self dot x equal to self dot y equal to fine. Here create one class. Okay, you have to access the properties of parent class. I am not declaring own properties of the class B. You can access the properties of parent class. Now there is a class C also extends B. Now self dot x equal to 78, self dot y equal to 86. Class A, B of A, C of A. Now you have to create the object. Okay, you create the object, access the property, print the properties. Okay, B biggie object is created, then print B dot self dot x, then print B dot self dot y. Now run it. Okay, here self you cannot directly initialize, you can initialize inside the def init constructor. Here also likewise above def init self then c equal to c and here print c dot self dot self dot x then self dot y, x, then print c dot self dot y. Okay, so here b is the object which will created an error or issue. Self, b object has no attribute self, so here we are not creating any self. Okay, sorry, it will created only the function inside the function, and this is also sorry for that mistake. Okay, 7887 9078 7887 9078. So this is the process to implement hierarchical inheritance in a Python. Okay, very important Python oops concept. Don't forget. Please, if you like this video, please share with your friends, and also you can click on the subscribe button, which I motivate to create a new videos. Thank you.